Okay, so let's start from beginning. Let's say you have never had any page, a business page at all on the social media platform. Maybe you've been doing your business offline, or the only page you have is your personal page. Okay, I've always advised you that you should have your personal page and also have a business page. So for the purpose of this training, I'll be using Grammar Account's page. Grammar Account has, and we'll be using Instagram. Okay, now she has an Instagram page, but it's for her personal use. Let's check it out. This is her personal page. All right, where she does other stuffs, her music and the rest, and her preaching. You get so, but she has a brand called the Pando Rice Flour. We want to create that business. We want to give that business a presence on the social media. All right. So we will not be using this for. If you see her page, you see that it's already organized for a particular stuff. It won't be right that we start telling her to start posting rice pando here. You understand? It will just affect her already audience that she has already here. But so my name is Aka Nadine. I live in Lagos. I love the Lord. So what she's doing here is about maybe preaching, singing and all. So we need to create a brand for the Pando yam now, and Pando rice flour. So what do we do? You will now create an account for it. Come to your normal personal page, and then you go up here. See up here, here where the username is Akan Adini, where your username up, okay. Then you beside it, you will see an arrow. Can you see the arrow? Can you see this arrow? This arrow, yeah, the head. That's what you will target. So you click on that arrow, and then you will see that's our page. Then Instagram will ask you to add another Instagram account. Okay. Now she doesn't have another one. So if I click on this, they will ask me two questions. Log into existing account. So if she has the account before for this brand, I will just bring that account here so that everything can be in one place on her phone. But she doesn't. So I'm going to create an account for her. So create new account. I'll click on that. All right. Now, for the benefit of this training, we'll come back to change our username later because I don't like complicated username. But for now, let me write Adeni's Global Pando Rice Flour is the name of this brand. So instead of me, I can just say AG, okay, AG. I can put underscore Pando rice, okay, Pando rice. I can put that Pando rice. All right. We can use that one so that at least let's create it. If she's not okay with this username, we can change it later. Username can be changed, but we have to create this page so that we can continue our training. You get? So we use AG and they say it's available. If once it's available, you will see something like this. You see this place, it will be green. You understand? So it's green. If it's not available, to write it there that this name, somebody else is using it. But now nobody's using this AG Pando rice. So we'll do that. Then we go to next. You click on next. Next. Then say to create a new Instagram account in this account center, allow the following. Okay, so we allow the former Adeniyi, allow and continue. Then sign up. This page is already created now, so they are asking us to put a picture, the profile picture, and but I will skip it because we will do it in the proper way. I want to teach you how to everything, so we'll skip it. We'll come and put it later. They say welcome to Instagram next. Okay, so I don't want them to access my contacts because I'm just using this page for Mama. I'm going to remove it from my phone. So it's Mama's contact that they will need to go and do that for. But this one is just for us to open a page. So now you've seen how you can open another Instagram page. They've said it, create a profile that shows your vibe. So we are going to now work on creating our bio, profile picture, username, page name, and all. So for the first one, this is the first way. If you don't have an Instagram page for your brand, not your personal page, now your brand, that is, check this video and do it exactly like that. So I'll say done. All right. Okay, so they want us to invite 5 people. I think these people are Mama's people. So follow 5 people or more. I don't want to, so I'll just skip because Mama should be the one that will decide who she wants to follow or not. So got it. So this is our page now, right? See it. We have not done anything on it. All these people are people from the other page. So now let me show you. You all have AG underscore Pando rice, right? If you click on that arrow, this arrow, you click on it like this, you can see now we have two accounts on this phone. Mama's Farmers account and the Pando one that we have just created. All right, so I'm going to stop this video. So I don't want the video to be too long so that WhatsApp can accommodate it, and also it should not overwhelm you. So if you have not created account for your brand, this number one video is for you. Go and create an account for that specific brand you have decided to do, because this year we have to be serious with what we are doing, and we have to do it in the proper and structured professional way. Thank you. Wait for the next video where we begin to set up this brand.